Hi guys, welcome. Today we are going to discuss installing Jenkins in Ubuntu OS. Jenkins is an open-source automation tool written in Java with plugins. It is a famous continuous integration tool. It is used to build and test your software projects continuously. So, guys, these are the steps now we are going to do for the installation. These steps I have copied under the description. You just want to copy it and paste it in your terminal. Now I am adding Jenkins repository to the system. Then update the Debian package repository address to the server sources list. Next command is apt-get update. Here I have skipped the execution part to shorten the video. Here again some steps. Next install Jenkins and its dependencies. Still installing. Now installation is completed. Now you can start the Jenkins service. This is how you check the status of the service. We can see it is running successfully. Now open the browser and call localhost 8080 port. At first, you need to provide a password to further proceed. You can take the initial password in the given location. Execute the cat command to get the initial password. Paste it in the text box and continue. Next, you should install the plugins. Guys, we are almost down. Now you are going to create a first user in the Jenkins by filling this form. Installation is completed. You can have an idea on Jenkins job creation in the upcoming video. Now, I am going to change the default of Jenkins. Open the Jenkins configuration file and change the port to 9001 like I did. Then restart the service and open the browser and hit localhost 9001. You can see now Jenkins service is running in port 9001. So, that is the end of the first session. I will meet you soon with another Jenkins session. Thank you for watching, keep in touch.